In the chaos of modern warfare, where seconds can decide the fate of soldiers and missions, one helicopter rises above the storm. Unyielding, fearless, iconic. The UH-60 Blackhawk. More than steel and rotors, it is a symbol of precision, resilience, and battlefield supremacy. From dense forests to arid deserts, from covert special operations to massive combat deployments, this helicopter has become a cornerstone of military technology, redefining battlefield strategy and shaping global military power. Today, we journey in.
The story of the UH-60 Blackhawk begins in the 1970s, born from the U.S. Army's urgent need for a modern utility helicopter. Designed to replace the aging UH-1 Huey, the Blackhawk was engineered with unmatched durability, speed, and versatility. Its design philosophy prioritized survivability in hostile environments, advanced avionics, and multi-role capability. This helicopter didn't just join the military.
The Blackhawk first tasted combat in the early 1980s, proving its mettle under fire. From rapid troop insertions to medevac missions, it demonstrated unmatched reliability. Its advanced weapons integration allowed for precision strikes, while its agility made it nearly untouchable in hostile airspace. Each mission reinforced its status as a critical asset in battlefield strategy, where drones and missiles became
At the heart of the Blackhawk's effectiveness lies its advanced avionics. Integrated navigation systems, night vision, and digital cockpit displays ensure that pilots maintain battlefield awareness in any condition. Modern warfare demands precision, and the UH-60 delivers, seamlessly integrating with drones, defense systems, and satellite intelligence to orchestrate.
The UH-60's versatility extends beyond combat. It is the lifeline for soldiers on the front lines. Capable of transporting up to 11 fully armed troops, it enables rapid deployment and extraction in hostile zones. Its robust design withstands enemy fire, while its speed and maneuverability allow it to dominate any battlefield scenario.
In war, saving lives is as crucial as winning battles. The Blackhawk excels as a medevac platform, transporting wounded soldiers from combat zones under fire. Its internal medical configuration allows for rapid triage, while its armor and speed minimize exposure to enemy attacks. This dual role of combat.
The Blackhawk is more than transport. It is a mobile weapons platform. Equipped with mounted M240 and M134 machine guns, it provides suppressive fire and tactical support during missions. In modern warfare, the integration of advanced war weapons transforms it into a precision strike tool, complementing drones and missile defense systems to dominate.
When darkness falls, the Blackhawk shines. Its night vision and infrared systems allow pilots to navigate and strike with unparalleled precision. Covert operations, special forces insertions, and nocturnal reconnaissance missions are executed flawlessly, reinforcing its role as a cornerstone of modern military technology and global military power.
At the heart of the Blackhawk's effectiveness lies its advanced avionics. Integrated navigation systems, night vision, and digital cockpit displays ensure that pilots maintain battlefield awareness in any condition. Modern warfare demands precision, and the UH-60 delivers, seamlessly integrating with drones, defense systems.
In the shifting sands of desert combat, the UH-60 proves its resilience. High temperatures, dust, and sandstorms cannot impede its mission. Equipped for long-range operations, it supports troops, coordinates defense systems, and strikes with precision, embodying the adaptability required for future war machines.
The Blackhawk is not confined to deserts. In frozen tundras and jagged mountains, it demonstrates unmatched endurance.
Icy winds, extreme altitudes, and treacherous terrain challenge all helicopters, but not the UH-60. Equipped with de-icing systems and powerful engines,
In modern warfare, battlefield success relies on synergy. The Blackhawk coordinates with drones, ground troops, and missile defense systems, relaying intelligence and executing precision strikes. Its role extends beyond transport, becoming a nerve center for battlefield strategy, where
From Korea to the Middle East, the Blackhawk is a global presence. Deployed in joint operations, humanitarian missions, and peacekeeping exercises, it projects military strength while supporting combat operations. This helicopter symbolizes global military power and
In a world of evolving threats, the UH-60 competes with other advanced helicopters. Its combination of speed, durability, and versatility surpasses many rivals, making it indispensable in combat operations. Comparing it to foreign military helicopters highlights the Blackhawk's unmatched contribution to war.
Decades in service have not dulled the Blackhawk's edge. Upgrades in avionics, stealth coding, and engine efficiency ensure it meets the demands of 21st century warfare. It seamlessly integrates with drones, advanced defense systems, and battlefield intelligence networks.
Mastering the Blackhawk requires rigorous training. Pilots endure simulated combat operations, integrating drone intelligence and battlefield strategy exercises. These training missions mirror real combat, ensuring that every deployment leverages advanced war weapons, drones, and modern military technology.
Throughout history, the Blackhawk has been the hero in countless operations, extracting troops under fire, delivering humanitarian aid, and turning the tide of battle. Each mission embodies the synergy of human courage, advanced war weapons, and battlefield strategy.
Drones have changed warfare, but the Blackhawk remains central. Acting as a command and coordination hub, it directs UAVs, monitors missile strikes, and provides tactical intelligence. This integration of human piloting and unmanned systems defines the future of combat operations.
The Blackhawk is more than a helicopter. It is a legend. Across decades, terrains, and conflicts, it has shaped global military power, advanced battlefield strategy, and influenced the design of future war machines. From deserts to mountains, from covert missions to humanitarian aid, the UH.
As the sun sets over battlefields and deserts, the silhouette of the UH-60 Blackhawk reminds us of humanity's relentless pursuit of innovation in war. It is a testament to courage, strategy, and technological mastery. And as drones rise, missiles strike, and global military power evolves, one question remains.